Today we're going to open the box. I'm going to do some spring cleaning while I talk because I know I got to do it. Yep. We're going to open the box. Let's just close this out, see if it closes cleanly. It did. It did. What is that? Yeah, it did. So we're going to do the box titled what did it title? Faculty. And we're not just gonna we're gonna take a break on the first blood challenges, and hopefully as I start fixing the vulnerabilities on these boxes, it makes me faster. That's kind of the goal, and then I get back into the first blood challenges. So here's my I felt like this would be a treat for everyone, including myself, because I've dabbled a little bit, but to actually, well, that's weird. Yeah, I dabbled a little bit, but wow, it's crazy how much live streams differ from actual um, videos, which I haven't done in a while. But I can't think of any ideas for actual videos, so I just keep doing these. I mean, at one point, I felt like I was on fire. Just gotta make sure it don't stink. At one point, I felt like I was on fire, but lately it's just like this is how I do it because I can be more relaxed, and then other people can join in. Speaking of joining in, I need to go ahead. I was on. Let's see what they're talking about. Bro, my subscribers. Greetings, man. What's up? What's good? I was on what do you call it, King of the Hill yesterday, and had some fun. I'm getting way better. I was telling people like at some point I was gonna get really good at King of the Hill. So I'm getting really good at that. I guess the problem there though is like people. I wish there was a King of the Hill where you couldn't look at write ups because I think people are really doing that. All right, let's. But I got in. I got King, and then I took over the King file, and I did all of the stuff that I was supposed to do. And then I got bored and left. So the guy took King back, and he won. So it was fun though. But at least I'm doing the things that I'm supposed to do. I'll probably stop focusing so much on home, Cali work, HTTP, make their faculty, and CD faculty. Actually, you know what though? I made a command yesterday. Where are you? Here. We're just gonna go ahead and put this in my commander tool to kind of warm everybody up. Because I'm sick of this. We should really be a lot further with my Nmap game by now. Where are you? I know this looks like a mess, but if you haven't seen this before, this is my commander tool. I'm always leaning on it. All the time. So it should be here. And then let me paste this in as a reference here. I'm gonna delete this and make it neater, but I just need to do some quick things right quick. I'm glad to see people joining, man, for this because this isn't to me. This is important because obviously, if you want to be respected in this game, you got to know how to defend against stuff. You gonna echo? Whew. Dang, it's early. Echo, make their name, and then we'll do that. Yes. No. I don't want to just make their name there. I want to make their home Cali work HTTP name, and then CD name. Yep. And I think that's the only two things I needed to add. Do I need? No, I don't. All right. We're gonna just go bang, and we're gonna test that out. What's the IP? The IP's not there. Where is my? Wow, didn't I just have? Man, that's crazy. So yeah, I mean, for me, what I try to watch other YouTubers, like other YouTubers that do the cybersecurity thing, and I'll tell you right now, man, I'm not about to do no whole live stream talking about certs. And that's not that. It's not that that's a bad thing. It's just the fact that I don't even have that many certs to even be doing stuff like that. It didn't do right. What? Oh, I'm never gonna do anything like that. Like I got like 4 certs, so I got 4 certs, but I'm really dope with it. So it don't even matter. All right, so I think we're good. So all we have to do is this and then bash. So that's running. I already kind of know what's going on with the box, but we're gonna run that in map scan anyway. I'm gonna pull up the write up here, and we can walk through the write up really quick. I actually saw a good write up. These don't look like good write ups. I don't know. Damn, this dude took a unintended route. This dude didn't even hit the web app or anything. Show you what I'm talking about. What the hell? To him, this was easy, bro. He hit. Oh no, he did actually. I'm tripping. So, as you guys see, we're gonna get in with that. So we're not gonna really stumble around and things like that. We're gonna get right into the box so we can start defending it. So let us. Some people just get straight to the point when they're writing their write-ups, and that's what we need today. We don't necessarily need someone to play with us. So faculty.htb is Etsy host or Etsy hosting. Commander host faculty.htb bash. That should work. So Etsy host. That means you grinding when you got a long Etsy host, bro. Etsy host stupid long, bro. I got to say HTTP VIP is the best experience ever. I think that I agree with that. I think that people don't don't understand how to use it to the best of their ability. I think a lot of people pay for it and waste their money. But yes, I agree with you. But you definitely have to focus on retired boxes for VIP. Well, VIP Plus, I'm not so sold on because it comes with Palm Box, and I hate Palm Box. Other than that, I think it's cool. I still pay for VIP Plus though. Faculty, but for me, you have to treat the boxes. I think you have to do a box a week. That's the first thing that I think everybody gets wrong. What? It is. Is that not it? Oh, here it is. So sometimes it's actually like that. You have to do a box a week. I don't think that's negotiable because if you do a box every 2 weeks or longer, you're definitely at that point not getting the best experience for your money because you're falling behind. If you let a box retire on you without doing it, man, I would just go ahead and stop paying for it. And that's just how I grind though. So that's just gonna be my opinion. What are they talking about? Is this the login? It says admin. It won't let me pay. That's my opinion because that just got me in. So if you're doing this box, that works. But that's my opinion on it because the thing about it is if you want, especially if you want to be the best, and like HackTheBox, man, HackTheBox is expensive. It's worth it, but it's expensive. It's like it's a little over $20, and 20 times 12 is what? Don't get me wrong, like cats pay for a lot of other stuff that's less what's the word I'm looking for? This write up is not that good. I thought it was good. It's not that good. Cats pay for stuff like Netflix and things like that. And stuff is mad expensive. Yo, y'all don't got. Which is fine. Here we go. Something else. Ooh, that's ugly. Man, got this damn white background in my face. So some people, and I apologize for how cheesy this looks. I mean no disrespect, but bro, dang, get us a black background, yo. But anyway, uh, there. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do his. No, I'm not gonna do it. Nope. Man, what in the world? Hopefully this is better, bro. Stop playing with me. Here we go. Oh, it's in Spanish. Yep, not gonna be able to do Spanish. Sorry. Here we go. His is gonna be on point. Yep, I'm promoting people. Directory brute force. We're gonna skip that part. There's another login page at admin login. We want to get in the box, right? We don't. I know we're not really challenging ourselves right now, but that's because we're gonna challenge ourselves on the actual. We're gonna challenge ourselves on the actual defending of the box today. So if you're just joining and you don't know what's going on, normally I would be banging my head against something trying to figure this thing out, but not today. After getting HackTheBox Academy, my bad for the delay. I'm gonna always answer people's stuff. I think that's the best value at HTB right now. Oh, okay. I remember you saying that you were doing the pen test route and you were learning things. And I was like, bro, you learning stuff? Like, if you learning it and you learning stuff, it's like, bro, I probably need to be in there too. But so this thing had SQL injection all over it. What? I don't have a flow here. First of all, let me put the write up in my Cali, and that's my flow is gonna increase like crazy. But yeah, when you said you were learning stuff, I was like, man, I definitely need to be in that. I'm already logged in. Why are they logging in? All right. They did a first buster. They said it's logs in this John Smith. There's not much interesting I could do within here. Login form. I'll try username of. Oh, that's corny. That there was so much SQL injection. So we're gonna have to defend against all of this. We're gonna have to fix all of these bones, which is fine. So we just logged in as admin. So we have 2 SQL injections to fix, which would be fun because as you guys are pen testers, not only are you able to write the vulnerability in the report, but you're also able to say, hey, maybe you need a quick fix. Here's the quick fix that I would put in for my SQL injection. And it's not as hard as people would think. I'm not gonna go through any of that. Local file read. Many of the pages have a blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. On clicking the PDF button, there's a post request. Blah blah blah. I'm not reading any of that. Yep, not going through any of that today. So we have to fix that vulnerability as well, though. We have faculty 6.0. We have to figure out a way to fix that, which I think we could. Would you say that the PWK labs are not that hard if you were to compare? Okay. Is that a question for Rodnet or me? I don't know. Would you say that the PWK labs are not that hard if you were to compare HTTP labs? I got to use ACP VIP for a short time. Still enjoyed the experience upon to. Oh, you pawn 2 machines. That's bro. That's if you talking about if you said you pawn if you're saying you pawn 2 machines on HackTheBox VIP and they're active, you're doing good. You're doing really good. If you had it for 3 days and you've gotten 2 active boxes. Now, if you gotten 2 retired boxes, that's still good because you're grinding. But if you got 2 active boxes in 3 days, even if they're easy, bro, my hat's off to you, bro. Salute. Salute, my guy. Because it is not a joke. I promise you. Uh, I need to check out admin class right away. I want to connect. What is that? Why are you using SSH pass? Oh, because they're trying to. Okay. All right. So we're gonna come back to this vulnerability. We're just gonna log in as this guy, and then yeah, you guys get it. But I could answer that myself if that question is intended for me, and if it's not, it's cool. But the PWK labs for me at the time that I took them, at that time, easy boxes and mind you, I took the OSCP in 2021. At the time in 2021, easy boxes weren't that hard. So I would be able to figure out an easy box relatively. I wasn't grinding like I'm grinding now. Recent ACB boxes are harder than OSCP. I agree. I wasn't grinding like I was grinding now, and still I was able to get an easy box in like a day and a half. Yep, easy box would be like boom, and then I would share it with my friends, and it was a cool thing. Um, so yeah, as far as the PWK lab, oh, I can't do that. As far as the PWK labs go, um, I felt like even the really really hard boxes, I would eventually figure them out because I don't know. It was something about the fact that I remember because they had when I took it, they had the big four, and even though the big four were supposed to be the hardest ones in the PWK labs, but I felt like they were still obtainable. Maybe because they were just old boxes or something. I don't know. And none of it used any when I took it. None of it used any like cutting edge stuff. So I'm not gonna read user. I'm gonna do a cat user here. It's gonna be different for you, by the way. So I'm not really ruining anything. What? Wait a minute. What is it saying? But yeah, to me, even the hardest PWK boxes were probably medium for HackTheBox. The hardest. The easiest PWK boxes, it was like boom, boom, you root. You get in a WordPress site, Sudoers, boom, you got root. Or you run this exploit, and then you do some other corny stuff and you got root. And so, maybe it's different now. I'm a dinosaur, bro. All right, let's focus here though. So you do sudo tag L and you see that. So we have to fix this too. So I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4 vulnerabilities we had to fix. Able to run a command as developer using sudo. Metagit is a command line, blah, 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 blah. Not actually RCE. So what is this? Damn it. Now, one thing about this write-up. I hope you guys can still see it. I know some people watch me on the phone. But I'm just gonna copy this and we'll understand what's going on later. But basically, in a nutshell, no, I don't want. Ah, what? I gotta understand what's going on here. Okay, metagit is a command line tool, command line Node.js tool for interacting with Git repos, and alternate to the standard Git command. Okay, how to get code execution. Okay, we'll read that really quick. I'm just getting confused. I don't want to just run a command and I don't understand what's going on. I would like to report blah blah blah. Oh, okay. So after you do the double pipes, you can run any command that you want. So that's basically what's going on here. So I could just do that. It's fine. And then I could do like cat home developer. What is it? User dot text. Whoa. I didn't think I would get that. Password still on clipboard. Damn it, it's not. It is not. I don't remember the password. This whole thing though, I'll tell you, man. When I started live streaming every morning. What? What is that? What does that mean? When I started live streaming every morning, I didn't know how this would go. But my skills, man, my skills is sick now, bro. Did I do? Yeah, I did Sudo. Uh, okay, so we both got the same thing. Oh, let's. What? What am I missing here? You have to do it from this. Dev SHM. Let's try again. It says no such file or directory for me. Did somebody delete the damn thing? Oh. Why? Why do this? SHM X. I'm not getting this part. SHM. Has anyone watched this from IPSec yet? Okay. I don't know. That's weird. It's weird that you have to do that. We don't really care. I'll create a simple reverse shell script in blah, blah, blah. So I don't really get down with the reverse shell scripts. Y'all already know. I hate this. If I can avoid it, I always do. And so what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to go into like, by the way, have I ever told you guys how much I hate Tmux? Tmux, I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I tried to pick up Tmux again like yesterday, and I hate it, bro. Especially with what you can do with Kali now. Tmux will never, I will never have flow with Tmux. You can't copy and paste stuff without going over into the other window, and then it just you have to do Control B to move things, and do this and do that, and I'm like, bro, this sucks. This sucks. Like I don't mean to be mean to the bro. When I say stuff, I'm a technical guy. And when I say stuff, if you're the creator of the tool, bro, my bad. Shout out to Tiberius. I've said a lot of bad stuff about auto recon. Auto recon does its job. It just doesn't work with my brain. But back to the point, Tmux, I can't do it, bro. Try to give it so many chances. So I have a King of the Hill commander here so that I don't like losing King of the Hill. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna echo my authorized keys into root. No. What's this? Into developer actually. So we'll say paste here. Yes, paste here. We'll say thank you to collapse you. I don't have a P at the end of this. Okay, I don't have it anymore. So this will be access denied. Yep. So that's right on point. That's what I wanted. For that. And then around this command, I could do the whole. I think I can actually. Hopefully I can. I don't know. We're gonna try it. Developer meta get clone, and then we could put SSS or something like that. Boom, boom, bam, boom. So let's see if we can log in. If we can't, we might have to do some other stuff. SSH developer at faculty.htb. I love it when things work. So we can say thank you to this one, and we can keep going. I mean, bro, y'all know how much I hate netcat, bro. I would do anything to avoid a netcat shell. Anything. And then if you see me run a netcat, that means that I've gotten to my end, the end of days. Everything, I've tried everything else. So I already noted that the developer is in the faculty group, but this account is also in the debug group. What? So the way that they did this, I remember kind of like reading up on this. If we go back to like a split shell and I do a commander, SUID, I always do that, SUID. Like this command right here. Some people know this command, but basically you're looking for like sticky bits, I think is what we call it. It's one of those things that, especially for the OSCP, I don't know. I'm gonna stop commenting on the OSCP because I haven't taken it in so long. Somebody might look at this video and be like, "What? We ain't doing that no more." It ain't even really been that long. It's been like a year and like change, but like it's changed so much, bro. No, this is not the way actually. According to the write-up, they do this. Why would you do that? It's always a good idea to look for files that the developer can access that the previous user couldn't. Okay. My bad. I screwed that up. So GDB, which is what GDB is how you reverse engineer things. Right? Am I good on that? Am I correct on that? GDB. Yeah, you reverse engineer things. Yes. Debugger, compiler, stuff like that, right? I work with it in Sans Sec 610. I think it was. Because I don't have the cert. I should have got the cert, but I don't know why. I was doing stuff actually. But yeah. I don't know if you guys are interested in something like this, but it's mad expensive. So I recommend you have an actual job of somebody that will pay for that for you, because it's hectic out here. All right, so moving on, bro, and thank you guys for attending the live stream. I've been having like some terrible numbers lately, but I've still been getting up and doing this. The fact that I got like 5 people watching right now is sick. Last time I had these many people, like we were doing an actual, we were doing some hood rat stuff. Moving on, it's odd that GDB will be in a group like that, but it does fit the group name. I don't know what we're talking about here. Has a capability assigned. Why would you do? Okay, we're not gonna capability sign. What? Now I can't even lie to you. I don't know what's going on here. I don't. There's not another way to get root. I'm lazy. I'm bad lazy, bro. Let me see, man. I don't want to go through all that. I want to look for unintended route or something. Dang, bro. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, this guy has it. We need to find a process that runs this route and attach the GDB instance to that specific process. Look up how to call a random process. So I think it just runs GDB. B here. I'm just gonna type what they typed and see what happens. Oh, never mind. Exit. Oh, quit. So you have to do ps tag elf, grab roots, and then attach this to a process, which we need to get into the vulnerability after this. We get to learn a lot from you too. Man, the feeling's mutual, bro. It's definitely a mutual feeling. Which one do we want to attach to? Let's do 939. I'll tell you, like, I do, like, if I were to brag on myself, what I think makes me unique is my mix of offensive and defensive skills. Like, most people I meet are really sick in one area or really sick in the other area. I'm trying to be sick in both areas, and I think that is my pitch to why you should watch me every morning. Damn. What was it? What did we say? 936? I don't think, and I always say this a lot, I don't think I should be the only YouTuber a person watches. So I never would say that. I'm hard on the other YouTubers that do what I do, but I do recommend you subscribe to them and watch them. I like to kind of have fun with everything. 940. Did it seem like it changed? We're going to attach to that. I like to kind of have fun with this, as you guys see. Because that's just who I am. What do they do? GDB P940. I feel like the more fun you have, the longer you can do it. If you're just like, being corny, whew, good luck. You're not gonna want to do this. Definitely not gonna want to get up in the morning and do it. Void system chmod. So I don't know if everyone understands what's going on here. I think the two people that are watching actually do understand what's going on here. We're putting a sticky bit on bash. And then if we do enter, what is that? I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just like typing stuff. I could be like, void. Why is this system? I think GDB is a Python program, is it? Oh, okay. That's exit or quit. Yes. Let's go back and actually do a Python one. Maybe that matters. Let's do this one. 707. 707. What? Continue without paging. I don't care really. I'm on that gray goose. Do I know you know? All right. Let's do call void. I hope this works, bro, because I'm really ready to get into the defending part. But I can't defend as developer. Or maybe I can. I don't know. US bin bash. Okay. So I think that worked. So now if I quit, yes, and do like these guys did, bash dash p, who am I? Root. So that is the box there. This box was probably, it wasn't that, it didn't seem like it was that tough on the initial access part, I guess. We probably need a bunch of nudges. But for root was a little bit, I don't know. Root probably really was medium. So Now what we want to do is we want to do the same thing because we want to persist on the box before we start fixing it. So we'll do commander again, and then King of the Hill because of things. And I want my authorized keys because again, I don't want whatever shell that I have here. I don't want that. Oh, it's actually SSH. SSH shell, but whatever. We can paste that in, and then we could just say home. Nope, we could say root. Yes. So that should have worked. We're going to test here before we close it. SSH root at faculty.htb. And we're in as root. So we can close this now. We can start to fix things. Collapse. So the first thing that we need to fix is the SQL injection stuff. And if we go back, we'll see that I don't know what's going on there. But we'll see that there, what? This thing. So we need to find that file first. So it should be here. Scheduling? Yes, scheduling. CD scheduling. ls. And so I think that is login.php. Yes. And if we go down, please enter your faculty ID. Okay, we need to back up a little bit there. I just thought about something. Even if we fix this, we can't fix the vert suite part. But what we could do, let me see. Let's go out of here for a minute. Just Q, actually. Ajax is what we're actually looking for. Yes, we're looking for Ajax. Admin them Ajax. If action, we're looking for ID number. No. Oh, we're looking for login faculty. What? What does that mean? Okay, I think I know what I need to do here. Probably go into admin class. Thinking, right? Weird how this is set up. Yes, here we go. This is what we wanted the whole time. So as we see, I don't think if this is your first time, you don't really like whatever. This is how they're getting in. Select star from users where username, blah, 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 right? You want to do some kind of, what is the word here? Input sanitation on this. So we're not going to get into that. I expect you to Google that if you don't know what that is. But the username is injectable. So what we need to do, I'm getting my brain warmed up. Okay. So I need to know PHP though, because I don't know PHP. PHP cheat sheet. But essentially what we're doing here is we need to clean off all of the quotes and all of that off of a username. I don't know. We're going to do that. But on the flip side of that, it's going. What we do is probably going to crash the system. It's going to crash the user's session, but we would rather do that than let them get in. But it's all good. So how do you do replace? PHP replace. Here. Yeah, it seems like a lot of people. Yeah, somebody's already kind of done it here. But wait a minute. Is this PHP? It doesn't say. It just says string. And it looks like kind of weird language here. No, this looks like PHP. Okay, so after we do this, we need to, after we extract post, come on, let me edit it. Oh, wow. Don't do that. All right. We need to say, okay, we need to say user. Let's try new username because I don't want to get confused here. New username equals, and then we can just copy this. Like we're not even. What am I doing? Like my brain. String replace. You're replacing everything with. So they only have letters. Okay, this is what we want. I think. We probably should test this out actually. I don't know a lot about PHP. I do know that like I'm confident that okay. We should be able to just do this. So this should say, yeah, all right. We should just be able to do that. And damn, PHP is weird, bro. New username. But basically, we're replacing all the special characters. And then this is how you replace the special characters. I'm trying to figure out the regex here, though, because it looks to me. Oh, because the caret's on the inside, it's saying the caret is saying not. But if the caret was on the outside, the caret would mean the beginning. It's confusing. That's regex for you, bro. So we need to put thing here, and then you type new username there. Nope. Do that. We probably need to do the same for password, but we're just going to just patch this up for now. And then we need to also comment by saying we need to say something like intent to prevent. No, we need to say temporarily prevent. Because somebody will probably get around this SQL injection. using regex scripts special characters. And you'll see, like, in a lot of what's the word that I'm looking for? We need to restart. Before I do that though, let's just see if that works. Is this how you do that? Echo test. Echo test. Exit. Okay. That should have worked. I'm not sure why it didn't work. Okay, the moment of truth. Am I a fraud or am I like dope? We'll see. So what we have to do next is restart Apache, I think. Service Apache restart, I think. Okay, Apache's not running, I guess. Python. No, what am I doing? Yes, elf. What is running? Thought it'd be Apache. Nginx. I'll be sure about that. Nginx. I don't know nothing about Nginx. Oh man, come on. Nginx. Oh, so that worked. So let's see now. It should be on its way up. Oh, that was fast. So log out. So we did this one. So let's see if we are able to log in with our payload, and if we are, we got to fix some more stuff. So I need to go back to OSDF's write up of T. Where are you? OSDF. But we just had it. Are you serious? Here it is. So I think this box is kind of trying to raise awareness for like school security. So yes, it was Nginx, so we're on the right track. Resetting that one. Okay, so I have to go to another one to see if that fixed. Oh man, why is that not doing correctly? Paste. So this should not work. Yes! Yes, we did it. We did it. So we successfully we patched it, bro. We patched it. Let's see if we patched it from a Burt's Wheat perspective. So log in. We gotta check Burt's Wheat too. So Burt. I don't know why that makes you so. I told you guys, like, for me, I'm a defender to the heart. Like, yeah, I can get into a box, but like defending stuff, bro, is what I do, man. That just like sends a rush through me, like, bro. Like, I don't get it. Like I don't get myself. Like, yeah, you guys get it. All right, so let's try to send this payload through Burp Suite, and so it is encoded there. So I'm pretty confident that this is going to work. What? This is forward. Yes, it absolutely 100% works. And so that is that's number one. We did it. So you can't get into the site using SQL injection. So we should just repeat that for the password on the other one, the username and password. So let's just move on. Well, yeah, this is a temporary fix. At some point, attackers, if they want to get in, they'll defeat our little cheesy thing there. So you just really have to fix the actual what am I going to say here? Let's go back into it. You want to fix the actual SQL query here. Was it admin class? No, it was Ajax. No, it was admin class, bro. What are we doing? That's pretty sick, though. our little bootleg thing here. It works. So I'll put in the intent, just to tell the developers. Come on, bro. I'll be like tested, and then we'll tested as of 23. What is this? October 20. What am I doing, bro? Get out of here. We don't want you anymore. We're gonna need that back. As of October 23, 2022. Boom. So we will save that and keep going. So the next one we need to kind of defend here is this one. So kind of the same thing going on here. We could fix this. What? Wait a minute. I think I did something wrong, yo. I definitely did something wrong. This is the one we should have been defending. That's embarrassing. Let me go back. This is the one we should have been defending the whole time. Oh, you know what? I think it eventually. Yeah, I think that still works because I think eventually login faculty is going to go to login. Yes. So I mean, I think it still works. So I think we're still good. Damn. that kind of like that threw me out for a minute. Yeah, it still would work because it still has to. Let's just double check this, just to make sure I'm not misleading you guys. Yes. Let me go back into the video and just confirm something really quick because again, like I'm really concerned with making sure that we are. So with that regex, because the caret is on the inside of the square blocks, that caret means anything that is not those ASCII characters. But if that caret, and I'll show you again. Well, actually, I can show you here. Because this caret is on the inside of these, that means that anything, yeah, I don't know. You'd have to look it up. But if this were on the outside, that would mean anything like it's confusing. Anything beginning with a special character. But because it's on the inside of that, that means anything that's not. So you can consider this kind of like an exclamation point. We could also have done like other things there. But regex is, obviously is crazy. I I lost my train of thought there. Oh, I was going back into the video. Yep. I was going to the video, back into the video to just make sure I'm not misleading you guys. That would be bad. So I'm checking out to make sure I ran the right payload. Yeah. I know this is a little bit of inception here. Okay, so that said, so that is, I'm pretty sure it is, but I just got confused here. I don't know. So that was admin or 1 equals 1. Like that. That worked. So like live streaming within a live stream. I just don't want to, bro. I really care about you guys. I don't want to give you wrong information, and I'm just mad paranoid about that, even to my detriment. Oh, first read off. We didn't fix it. We didn't fix it. Damn, we didn't fix it. All right, let's go back. I'm glad I checked that because you guys are gonna like leave here with like some really bad advice. All we have to do is move that here though, and we should be fine. So I'm glad I checked that. Damn, bro. About to look like a straight up fraud. Yank. What? Yank. About to look like a straight up fraud, bro. Normally, damn it, I screwed this up. Normally, you'd use something like, if you were going to be doing this, if you were going to be patching this thing, you would use SQL map. Let's just do it like this. New ID no equals, and then all of this. Oh. ID no. Why is there a period there? Oh, that must be some SQL injection thing. It should be fine. I mean, it's some SQL query stuff. So let us do this new ID. So this is actually where we should have been focusing. And then we need to restart Nginx. I'm nervous. I'm nervous now, bro. This should be booting up. How is that already booted up? Oh, what's going on here? Okay, now we know for sure it works. So this is for sure the payload that we use here, right? Boom, boom. All right. We know for sure now that what we did patched it. For sure. Absolutely certain. 100%. All right, we good now. But that's crazy how quickly that restarted. I don't know. Anyway. And let's just double check here. Because I want you guys to have some good information. No, I think I made my point. I don't need to keep keep beating the dead horse there. Anyway, let's just move on because I don't want to just waste you guys' time like being super paranoid. So now that both of these work, well, we're gonna test that one, but we need to get into it. So now that we know that works, we're going to unpatch it so we can get to the next vulnerability. We're gonna unpatch it. Oh shit. Log. Oh damn it. Why? We unpatched it, so that's just double proof that that works, right? And then there was, well, we don't need to unpatch it because we can just go straight to the other admin page. Let's just patch it again. I know I'm weird, bro. You gotta just deal with my weirdness. Let's just patch it again and just double check that it works. Log out. Boom. Log in. Patched. So I think it's like admin login or something like that. And let's just see if this works. So the payload for this was this thingy here. So copy. I'm copying that right from the write up. So that should be correct. And nothing matters there. Log in. Doesn't work. Boom. So that was already patched. But we also have to patch the password as well. So we'll do that because if we do this on the password, we should be able to get in. Oh, we're not. So we don't have to patch that. I'm not sure why password isn't injectable. Oh, because it's MD5. Okay. So we're not even going to worry about that. We're going to move on. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you patch SQL injection temporarily. What you want to do after this is you want to go ahead and brain is blanking out on me. You want a proxy server or reverse proxy server in front of this thing, and you want to put mod security on it. So if we go to mod security, web application firewall. Maybe we want to look at the GUI too, just so that you guys can know. Oh, I don't know. Is it still mod security? So basically with this thing, you want it'll give you all the rules that you need. And then from here, you want to set up your reverse proxy. GitHub probably has the setup here. Yeah. And basically, all your reverse proxy is doing is saying, hey, it's going to receive a request and be like, hey, this has this domain name in it. Go to that box. Oh, it has this domain name in it. Go to that box. Subdomain. Go to this box. Go to that box. Oh, it has this host in it. Go to that box. Virtual host routing. Boom. All right, so those are patched, so no one can get in. I wonder if SQL injection can get in, though. That's the ultimate test of things. So let's just run this against SQL injection. Not SQL injection, y'all know what I mean. What's the thing? SQL map. I screwed up my new tab, SQL map. And then we'll just do that. And see if it can log in. Oh, batch. Batch. Level. See, I feel like this video is like, this is like one of the most valuable videos because it's like, I'm not trying to be like IPSec or anybody like that. I'm just like doing what I know, like trying to be unique here. You feel me? And so this is how I'm unique. I defend, you know? So whatever. So that's why I like this video is probably going to be one of my favorite videos of all time. Like the GOAT. How can I close this? I want to close this. Collapse subterminal is not working. So we're just going to have to say thank you to that. But we have a public key on the box, so we're not even tripping. We're going to see if this thing can get in. We're not going to patch any more SQL injection vulnerabilities because that should have worked. But I'm just double checking it there. SSH root at faculty.hdb. The next thing that I want to do, Bro, thank you for your comment, Nelson Mendez. I appreciate people that just take that time to like type that stuff, because it lets me know that I'm on a purpose, that like everything is being like appreciated, and I could like go more into that direction. So yeah, man, thank you for showing up, because you know, Sunday, I like being a spiritual person. Right after this, I'm gonna go into what I do to grow myself. So Sunday is significant. Um, I don't want to get too like religious or anything like that here, but I am really big on faith and stuff like that. And people might not think it because of how I act, but I think that yeah, I'm really in tune with the universe and what my creator has to offer for me, so yes, Sunday is really important to me. I know like some nerds don't want to hear that, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. I'm me, and I'm not going to sugarcoat or try to hide who I am from anybody. Sunday is significant, and I will be getting it in. I'm into a lot of reading on Sunday. Trying to be. So if they can't, we've patched the SQL injection, so they can't get to the next vulnerability, which is the PDF exploit. But if we wanted to patch that, let's see what we needed to do. I'll probably do these for a while, actually, because this is pretty fun to me. There's an issue on the MPDF where blah, 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 blah. I don't think we could fix this without updating. What do you think? Grabbing the PDF, it has the text from the payload. Clicking on that downloads the NC Pass WD file from faculty. So, I mean, I don't really care if people get the NC Pass WD file. I don't care about that. So what? What are you going to do with that? Oh, you see that I have a user? Like, to me, in my head, that's not a vulnerability. Well, obviously, reading files from a what am I trying to say here? I lost everybody. Oh, you're over here. Reading files from an application like this is definitely a vulnerability here, but not so much the SE pass WD file, right? And like if you're patching things, you have to kind of like prioritize things like that, right? It's like, all right, what matters most? What will be most impactful to the business? And given that I would download that because it's the same. Where did they get that password from? And we can back up from there. Okay. I want to connect to db.connect as it would likely have creds. It does. Oh, that's too easy. All you have to do here is no, we can't do that. What I was thinking is you can make this file unreadable, but then you don't want to do that because now you're gonna break the SQL injections. I mean the SQL queries. There's gotta be a more secure way to do this though. Think. There has to be a more secure way to do this. Oh, man. DB Connect. Is there? I think what we could do. I'll download that because it is the same directory as download.php. I just set the payload to get the file name. Damn. I think this one is going to be one of those ones where you need we need a web application firewall. So I'm going to disappoint you guys on this one because when you do that payload, I'll send the post request to the repeater and place a PDF argument with the payload. I think with this one, that quick patch you made will prevent customers whose usernames have wood characters that help. Yes. So, like to my point earlier, that is definitely not the permanent solution. Definitely not the permanent solution. You want to go ahead and do that as a hasty, like quick patch, and then you definitely want to do something more professional like mod security. But definitely, you're right. Yeah, it's good though that for the password. So we defended the IDs. So first of all, the ID section should have only been accepting integers, and then the integer, convert the integer to string, and then do whatever you need to do with the SQL part, right? For the username thing that we patched, you could just make a company policy and say, hey, no special characters in your name, bro. Like, what are you doing? You trying to hack us, bro. For this vulnerability, I'm thinking, dang, bro, my mind is going like a million miles a minute, but it's not going anywhere. There's a post request to admin download. Let's understand the vulnerability first. Click on it, redirects to URL like this. That matches what I noticed earlier. You could just like disable the PDF thing. That's what I'm thinking for now. I recommend that the support tag as many support tab should that the support for the tag should be disabled. Embedded files via annotation must be explicitly allowed. Okay, so I'm just gonna say that these guys just need to update in PDF. I'm sorry that like I thought it'd be more fun than that. But what we could do here. Let's go back here really quick because what we could do is when people, what is this? I don't care about any of that. When people visit, what is this? I don't want any of that. CD, is it him with the stuff? Where were we? Oh, bar. Dang, bro, I'm tripping. Dub. So when people where are you? It's not in here. I'm thinking when people try to convert a pass, when people try to do the whole, I haven't got it in out yet. when people try to do the whole PDF thing, all you have to do is say, all right, if your request contains annotation, drop the whole packet. And we could do that. So that's what we're going to do here. I need to be able to log in. I should be able to get a username from here, right? I don't know. So let me concentrate so that I could get my mom back right. School scheduling system. Where were we? Here. We don't care about that. Welcome back, administrator. Course list. So we need to test that out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unpatch this so that I can get in. Because I'm too lazy to figure out how to actually get in or where the actual things are. It's not Ajax. I'm going to temporarily do that. What? We already unpatched it, actually. No, we didn't. And because we want to get in, and then we'll restart. Where are you? Service Engine X. Is that how you spell it? Engine. Yes, that's how you spell that. So we'll get in with our thing there. Because I'm just too lazy to look up the actual password in the database. What? Still patched? That's weird. Yeah, it shouldn't be patched. Did it restart? Yeah, this should be unpatched now. Username and password is incorrect. Maybe it's still. Username and password is incorrect. Ew, we probably permanently patched it somehow. I don't know how we would do that. And that is the right payload, right? Oh, we're in over here anyway. Oh, we thought we were. We cannot get in. All right, let's just stop being lame here, and let's just look up the users. Is it in here? What is the MySQL? I don't know. I don't know if this is going to be the right thing to do. Local host. Oh wow. Oh wow, bro. I don't know how I'm going to get into the web app because our SQL injection isn't working anymore, and I'm pretty sure I just unpatched it. Wow. So we're not. Okay, so we're gonna move on, but that's how you would do it. Basically, you want something that says, "Hey, please drop all packets containing annotation," and you do that through some kind of if statement. So if it does not contain annotation, let it go through. We're just gonna get right into patching the things on the OS. I don't know. Let's just repatch that joint first of all. class, no vim. I thought that would be fun. Maybe I'll do it in my off time, but I do want to keep the video moving. It fills me. So damn. New ID. All right. So now we had a vulnerability where it was like, I don't know if it's a vulnerability, it's more of a misconfiguration. But wait a minute. Shell is developer. We got sudo tech L on gbiolo. It's not appropriate to just be like, okay, you can't run the commands anymore. That's not appropriate. I think here what you have to do is I don't know if there's a way that other than updating this one either. What I would do in this case, and I'm not gonna do it here, is no, you want to kind of be root there. No. Okay, they did the right thing here. They did the right thing there. So that's just gonna have to be a vulnerability. I don't think that's that serious. I mean, at the end of the day, just update your meta get here, and then we'll focus on the root part. GDB. I don't understand why GDB is running. I would just take the sticky bit off of GDB. This is how I would fix this. Like, what's the point, bro? Like, for reals. Take the sticky bit off of it, and then if you need to do anything as root, just log in as root and do it. like what's the deal there, bro? Like, if I'm missing something there, just let me know. But that's what I'm about to do for us. Is there a sticky bit on it? But what were we doing there? How do we figure that part out? I think. No, not you. So you have a capability assigned, which I don't care about that. Or do I? Group debug. The standard permissions don't show anything about it other than root only, so no one else can execute it. And the members of debug group can run it. So there's no sticky bit. So what we could do here is say chown because I don't understand why. Yeah, I don't understand this part. So you just do chown user bin GDB and then do developer, and that should take care of all of that. Oh, my bad. The other way around. And this should prevent you from doing like any weirdness with GDB. And if you want to run GDB as root, just like put developer in the Sudoers file and do your thing. So when we run this, now we keep like we'll let it have its special permissions there, but we'll just do it like that. We could do that, and I think you could do like LSA. Okay, that didn't work. Or maybe it did. Okay. Instead of doing that, user bin GDB, we should see developer on it. So now developer owns it. And then, like, again, if you want to run GDB with elevated privileges, just put, what am I doing? Vim, Etsy, Sudoers, and just yank that. What are we doing? X, P. No, damn it. Yank. P. Boom. There. And then you could just do developer. So boom, that's all you need to do. And so now you can just do sudo whatever, and as long as developer has an appropriate password, you'll be good. So that is that one. And then the final one that I want to do is just some different things to defend. First thing is I want to, and I'm gonna get this from some notes that I got in here. That's pretty much it for the box specific stuff. I'm just gonna do a little bit of other things just to make sure that we are, I thought I put it in here. Oh yeah, I did. So the first thing that you want to do, like especially you go to an organization and you're trying to make sure that they're good, you want to make sure that you disable private key authentication. Like that ain't even how we do things in 2022, right? So we want to go to Vim, Etsy, SSHD config. And then you want to go to password authentication and choose no. And then you want to go to public key authentication is yes. So generally you don't want to permit a root login. So actually we'll do no here because we do want to be as secure as possible. So don't permit a root login either, even though we do have it locked already. And then finally, if you wanted to go as far, which you don't really have to do this. Why do we have it there? Password authentication is no. They did it twice, bro. So definitely no here. But you don't want to do this until you make sure until you know what you're doing, right? So what I mean by that is you want to go ahead and have your public key stuff on point. That way you don't lock yourself out. So bang. And then you do service. I think it's SSH, bro. SSH. Yes. So that's going to restart. And so now all our changes should take effect. Before I do anything else, I want to cat home developer SSH authorized keys. And I'm in there. So I should be able to log in as developer. Pass WD developer. Can I do that? So if I switch the user to developer, okay, because I'm rude. I should be able to log in as him anyway, so I don't think I'm gonna log myself out. It's a safe developer, faculty.hdb. Got my public key thing going on. And if I want to switch to, okay, yes. So we're totally secure now. I mean, barring any craziness going on, I think that's going to be it for the day. Anybody got any questions about securing web apps, web servers, or anything like that? I don't think this thing has anything else that you could do. We can go ahead and get the user.txt now. We got a send mail.sh there, but I mean, again, this thing is locked down pretty well. I think. Let me try to think about if I could think of anything else. Yeah, that's gonna be it, bro. Thankfully, the box was easy enough for me to grasp my head around how to defend it. I will just go ahead and reiterate that we'll probably end up trying to do it because we got a little bit of time. If you want to stick around for that, we got a little bit of time to try to see if we could patch the whole. We could try to patch the whole PDF thing. See if we can do that. That was fun though. That was a lot more fun than I thought it would be. How do I submit flags? I haven't submitted one in so long. I don't care. Put it at 10. Who cares? Cat root.text. And then boom. I hope you were walking through the box with me to some extent. You know, because it's a shame to like go through all of this and be missing out on boxes. Because like maybe one or two boxes you miss out on, but like over time, one box becomes like 10 boxes, and now you're 10 boxes behind on HackTheBox. It's just like, what are we doing? So yeah, that's pretty much. I guess we're going to try to go ahead and patch the whole. Let me see if I can log into this thing. Actually, what we're going to do is reset the box. That's what we're going to do. And we're going to just focus on the one vulnerability. Because I don't know what I did, but I definitely secured this joint. Hope you guys enjoyed that part. We're going to focus on the PDF part. I'm going to keep saying that until it's a reality, actually. Yeah. This one went really well. I'm really pleased on as far as how this one went. Definitely not disappointed with the result. Did have some twists and turns, but we did prove that it worked. Now I hope the one next week isn't the exact same, or I'm gonna flip a table. We'll wait for this one. Yeah, my phone went dead last night. I'm telling you right now, like I don't know if you guys remember the video that I did about like motivation and burnout. Like since like 2 or 3 days ago, like I bounced back and I'm good now. But I will say that like some of that stuff that I was talking about when I was saying like, being on your phone and stuff like that doesn't equal relaxation. I've gotten back into a rut where I'm like on my phone a lot now. Like I'm scrolling a lot of social media again. I don't know why I get like that, because I'll be the main one saying that don't do that, and then I'll spend a whole Saturday where I do that. Luckily though, I was able to still get in here and do a little bit of extra stuff on Saturday, but people, I don't know. Relaxation is good. Keeping up with there's excessiveness, and I will tell you right now, Saturday I was really excessive with the social media usage. More excessive than I am. Now, for me, it's probably my excessive is just getting started for some other people. But bro, I'm telling you right now, at least 6 hours, bro. So I'm about to nip that in the bud today. Do a straight up straight up detox and just return to my normal self. I'll tell you right now though, things out there are addictive. They're addictive, bro. And I'm just spit some opinions right now, but I think they're really relevant. We should be able to get in there. Not with that. So what marketers do is like everyone has, in my opinion, or probably my informed spiritual opinion, everyone has what I like to call like, so if you think about if you ever studied the law of attraction, right? Everyone has within themselves the power to manifest things, the power to create based on imagination, feeling, thought, desire. You can create things. Whether you see it like that or whatever, whether you change the terms or whatever, that's non-negotiable because you wouldn't be able to create and make things happen if that weren't the case, right? You can call it what you want, but that's what it is, right? Marketers and people that try to sell you things, like people that put things in your way to tempt you, like pornography, like all that, everything that is trying to reach out and grab your attention. They are playing on your ability to manifest. You have to understand that. So, for example, a lot of people want to manifest love and being accepted and popularity, and social media and pornography give you a quick way to manifest that. So if you have like start of a manifestation, right? You start thinking about what you want, and then there's the end goal. All I have to do as a marketer or somebody that wants to sell something to you is get in the middle of that chain, and then I got you. If we understand that, we'll be good. We'll know how to decide what we want to spend our time on or not. Y'all know me, bro. Y'all know how I do stuff. Like, I overthink everything. Anyway, that's just my little, I go through like life lessons and things like that, and I just try to figure stuff out. But yeah, everybody's trying to jump into your law of attraction chain. And, everything that you want, you get. It's just sometimes you get a shittier version of what you were trying to get. And that's just what it is. Everybody gets what they want in this world, though. 100% of people. 100%. Everybody get what they want. Okay, it worked that time. Everybody gets what they want, though. It's just sometimes if what we want, so if sometimes if we know in our hearts that there is a better version of what we want out there than what we're getting, we have to show the universe that we're willing to reject everything else that's like not on our level and wait. So PDF is what we're going to do here. I don't know. If you're a subscriber or you listen to me, like, you just got to put up with what I be talking about. But yes, everybody gets what they want 100% of the time. I think the real issue, especially with men, is deciding exactly what you want. And deciding what you don't want. Like, what are the disqualifiers? Deciding that too. What if you want, like, let's say if you desire something, if you desire a car, what are things that you absolutely will not accept? What are things that you absolutely will accept? And don't compromise. Don't compromise here. You'll be good. But that takes work. That takes practice. But that's what we're here for, baby. We're here to be on a journey like that. Where is my many pages, blah, blah, blah. For example, on the course list, clicking on it redirects to a URL like this, which we got. Looking at the metadata, blah, 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 blah. Then there's a request, the big blob of base 64, the double URL encoded. Yikes. Okay, I don't think this was doable anyway because, okay, we have to, we secured, I don't know, we have to get back into SSH. Shit. Yo, I'm tripping super hard. Okay, we have to get back in, and I just reset the box. So, yay me! I just reset the box. So let's see how quickly we can get back in. Yeah, we had to reset the box because we locked ourselves out of the web app. So that was the thing. I was too lazy to dump the database. So we'll just do SSH. What was the guy's name? I gotta check the thing again. G Bolo. Oh, why? Are we still good? I don't know. It's weird that they didn't ask for. I don't know. That's weird that they didn't ask for my host key. Anyway, we need to laterally move to developer. Which how do we do that again? I remember. We did it by doing that. And then we did double those. And then horizontal here. What was it? Not make there. Commander. This thingy. Taking authorized keys. Copy that. Paste that. Boom. Developer. Enter. Oh. Do I have the password? Yeah, I got it somewhere. Whoa. Don't do that. What? Bro, I'm starving, bro. All right. Paste. What? That should have worked. We're missing something. Let's see what's pasting into there. It's not a paste, is it? I didn't change Gbolo's password. Or why you say it? Are you seeing this? Bro, the same. What? Oh, missing a letter here. I knew it had to be something crazy. Boom. All right. So now we should be able to log in as developer. And then we could kind of resume. Where? How does that work? Maybe try again. No. What happened here? Permission denied. What? What are you talking about? I said developer, bro. maybe clear. This is exactly what I did earlier, right? I'm not doing anything different here. Let's see. Damn, I got. So it's just echo. And both of these have, okay. Yeah. Home, developer, SSH, authorized keys. It's exactly the same. Okay, so it looks like developer matter get clone. Let's take this out of there. I mean, maybe it's throwing it off. Hmm. Okay, let's change that to test. How is that happening there? Oh, there's a space. Maybe that's it. Put a space between there. Still nothing. Dang, did we patch this too, yo? Somebody tell me what I'm doing wrong, bro. But I don't think we patched this one. And even if we did, we reset the box. Huh. How about let's just try without all of that. And we just want to just make sure that this is going to work for us. So permission denied for developer, which is what I expect. How's about if we did it in our directory? What? You supposed to make it? cd make their stage. I don't know how else I'm in here. Talking about no such file or directory. Hmm. How are we screwing this up? Uh, oh, because I spelled the thing wrong, bro. Okay, so that worked. So nothing's wrong with the command. Let's try to do T here. And oh, I gotta do it from a different, for some reason. I have to do it from there. Yeah, we did it now. Dang, that took way longer than I wanted. All right, so we'll keep going. So for we don't need that anymore. So for our school scheduling thing, I want to check this out because let's open up at F12 and PDF. Let's see what happens here. Post faculty.htb download. So let's first check out. Oh, we need to log in with developer. Say thank you here. Home. Nope. Or and then go into scheduling. Admin. And then Vim download. See what's going on here. Generate random string. We already seen that. So we have here is that okay. So this is going to be too easy. All that, and then we got a payoff. So this isn't really hard to even understand. They are URL. The URL decoded. What? Okay, so for here, it's PHP. So we have to find out how to say if we need to say if HTML contains damn. All right, PHP contains string. Oh, so it's str contained. So this is how you do, like, if you don't know a language, cool, bro. Okay, so all we have to do is this. This ain't even bad. What? Okay, so we'll put this here. Whoa. Changing a read-only file, I can't do that. Oh, man. They won't let me change it. I'm a developer, bro. I can't change download. Bro, that sucks. Why am I a developer and I can't develop? So you mean to tell me I have to go through and get root again? Damn. That 100% sucks. I've done this box twice now on the same live stream. Twice. Faculty. And who had the best write-up? I remember him. Yeah, I remember it was like Bato or something like that. I thought. Yes. All right. Let me just do this real quick, bro. My bad, man. I like to be a lot better than my viewers because I know people like dedicate their time to come watch me. Man, this is. I just need a little bit of a flow. Originally, I wasn't gonna try this route, but then I'm like, you know what? I want to, whatever. I'll do some timestamps. So if anybody wants to leave and come back, I'll do timestamps so that you could actually see what I'm doing here. It's all good, bro. I love you, man. That's what I'm here for. I'm here for you, dog. So PS stack elf, and we need to compromise a root process like we did last time. I guess it's good for me to get like double reps on boxes because now I can like actually explain what's going on like really easily. I don't know. Trying to see the benefit of continuing to do stuff like this. All right, so the process is 710 that we want to compromise. So we'll do. How did they find a private key? Oh, because they went through. Yeah, whatever. Huh? Oh, they did it real difficult there. No way. Although that's probably the most OPSEC friendly way. Anyway, let's stop getting off subject. GDB 710 is what we're gonna do. GDB process 710, and then continue. Call void system mod u plus x and bash quit yes bash p who am I? I'm root clear. All right. So now we're able to go into our dub scheduling. Where were we? Admin. Then Vim download. Okay, Vim works the same in this shell, so I'm not upset. Okay, so from here we had. Is it still on the clipboard? Yes, it's still on the clipboard. So let's make sure we're doing this neatly. We're not just all over the place here. If string contains, and what was the thing here? First of all, we didn't even exploit anything. So first of all, let's go through with the exploit so that I can show you that this is gonna work. Yo, HackTheBox, if you guys want like write-ups on how to fix this stuff, you think that would be like beneficial, let me know, bro. I got you. It ain't even a problem. All right. Oh, so we need CyberChef. And then we need to go back here. Thank you. And then we need to capture with Burp Suite. And we need a Burp Suite. So what we're going to do is we're going to capture this request. And we have to double base 64 decode it. And then yeah, I think you get it. So yeah, we're taking this, copying it, copy, and then paste, and from base 64, oh, that's URL, so URL decoded. I don't know what the guy was talking about. What? You gotta do all of that? Did we do this correctly? I don't know. This is ridiculous. It should not take this long. That bake. This isn't gonna work. I'm too impatient. Cancel. All right, let's just do that. Copy, paste, say thank you to you, and then your decode. Seriously, bro. What did they do in the write-up? Because I'm All special characters are URL encoded twice. What? Oh, I mean, I see that now, but why is this taking so long? Are you serious? Stop. Okay, so whatever, man. But that's it. It should display something like this, right? The PDF can be accessed, whatever, right? So after using the annotation tag, replace the payload with what? What payload? I don't see. What are you talking about? Oh, it's probably because I got the damn. Is it because I have this on? Cancel. Bake. It's probably because I had Burp Suite on. Maybe. Yeah, probably so. Yeah, I had Burp Suite on the whole time, bro. My bad. Anyway, I don't see anything in there that I'm interested in. So refresh that. And let's see what's going on here. So all you have to do, according to them, let's go back. I don't really know if I get what's going on. So all they did was replace this with this. Let's see. Let's get the recipe for Cyber Chef. Let's go back. Recipe. Yeah. Copy. And then input. And so they're saying that all we have to do is copy this into this payload. PDF. And then forward this. I don't know. I don't think forward worked that time because I don't have PDF. Boom. Forward. Okay. Oh, it's gonna pop up. Forward. PDF is dark and full of attachments. What is that? What does that mean? I didn't get anything. Try that again. PDF. Still not getting anything. So what are they doing here that I'm not doing? All right. Oh, it says to download this. And then what? It says to download it. Okay, it says to download that file, which I don't get. Cali work, HTTP. Where is it? Faculty. Save. And it says open. Nothing. With system PDF viewer. I don't even know if I have one. Is there an attachment in here? Oh, bro, no. Get out of my way. Let's see if somebody else like did it differently. Then request to. Oh, you like right click or something? Oh, this thing. Ah, so it does work, right? This is past WD and things like that. Took me a while to figure that out. Don't really use VDS for Kali, and then it shows. But you have developer here, so boom, the exploit works, right? So what we want to do, damn, that took a long time, is just make sure that this doesn't go through. That took a very long time to figure that out. What is okay? This um if string contains what was that thing again? Let's go back. Annotation. Annotation lowercase. I think else. How do you do else statements? Else PHP. Oh, let me see it. Okay, it's just else. It's not like something crazy. Damn. Else. Whoa. Did it just do that automatically for me? It's troubling if it did. No, it didn't. So I owe one here. Let me get some clean code going, because oh no, not you. If something is bootleg here. Yes. Stop it. Get some help. Let's see if that works. So what we'll do is we'll say service engine X. I hope that works. Restart. Really? I don't have the root password, bro. Pass WD. Oh, I'm still developer, bro. How? Oh, damn it. Oh, let me get access to root really quick. I don't know. Maybe I don't understand things as well as I should. Skitty. Roots. Paste. Boom. What? Are you serious? Okay. CD root. I mean, make there. Oh, it's home root, bro. Y'all gotta watch me, man. I just be working so fast. And then so down here, clear SSH roots faculty.htb. And then now we should be able to service nginx restart. And so if we go in and try that same exploit again, we should be logged out first of all. We're still logged in. Whatever. Error generating PDF. I don't know if we wanted an error here. We broke it. Why is there an error though? You can't. I mean, it's patched, I guess. We're gonna be serious here. We're gonna just make sure this thing still works. Okay, error generating PDF. Let's see what. Actually, I want to just. There's my camera. You're fine. Like we're all fine. Like it's fine. I guess the camera turned off because it's like, bro, you've been going on too long, man. You tripping. CD var dub. Let's see what's going on. Let's see if we can't fix that. Because we don't want to impose costs on our customer, right? We want to make sure that our customer can do the thing, whatever they need to do. So we didn't really do anything here, actually. So I'm looking at it and it's like, this is wrong, actually. PHP string contains. Yeah, we didn't do right here. I mean, they can't exploit it right now, so that's good. That's a plus. They just can't use it either. What if string contains? Oh, I did it backwards. So this is always going to be true. This is just awkward how PHP works. So the first one is, yep. HTML. Hold on real quick. Because what I might end up doing is you might still be able to defeat this thing. No, you're not actually. Because everything is happening here. Yes, everything is happening here. Yeah. HTML. It's not like going to like anything else, right? Require MP. Yes. Okay. Yeah. All right, we're good. I just gotta make sure because I don't want to mislead no one. Like that would be bad. Annotation. The next restart. And so now it should work. Nah, bro. This should work. Stop playing with me. Yo. Man. I didn't change anything else, did I? Let's just delete this and see if it works. Oh, I knew I was gonna do that. I was trying not to. I probably permanently broke it like last time. Oh man. All right, restart PDF. All right, successfully generated. Boom. Let's go back. It works now. Let's go back and say if, and then let's just say true. How do you do true? PHP. True. I don't know. How do you do true? We're gonna see. What's going on here? Why am I in Battlegrounds? Okay, so it's lowercase true. Because maybe I screwed up the syntax. Restart. See if that works. Error. So I'm doing something wrong with my syntax, bro. I don't know what. Okay. I think actually what you would really do if you were a software engineer is you would run this through a debugger. True. That's how they want it. Restart. PDF. Okay. So our syntax is correct now. So we can replace this with our string contains string contains boom, boom. Let's see. How do you do not? PHP not. This is gonna be backwards, but I just kind of want to get this over with, man. So But this is gonna be a little bit backwards. String contains, and then you put the okay. You don't want that here. You want this. Okay. Sometimes Vim is weird, but we deal with it because it's awesome. All right. The string contains in HTML, and then it's an annotation. I hope that's right. So we could say for this, because this is a condition, we could hope we could just do a space here. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Yes. And then I'm going to avoid doing my indentations because I don't know if that's screwing it up as well. What? Oh, 44 not found. Error. Damn. They probably don't know what this is or why I'm doing that. We're gonna figure this out. So we're in it for the long haul, bro. My boy. Service ends in next restart. Error generate PDF. It didn't. Internal service error. So I don't know what I'm doing here that's killing it. Let me make sure my string contains syntax is correct. If string contains, no, it's not. It's supposed to be one of these. Yeah, that wasn't right. This still shouldn't work, but I think it's the right syntax. Yep, I think it's the right syntax though. So all we have to do now is say bang here, boom, boom. Restart, and then this should work. Damn, bro. Does it not know what I'm doing? Let's just put something random that I know it doesn't contain. Still. Wow. Okay. Let's figure this thing out. If we got to get this to work. So that's correct. All that other stuff is correct. Let's get rid of you, and one of you. We're going to figure this out, though. Services next restart. So that should have been good there. So if it contains an empty string, because it should, it should always evaluate the true. It should. Still, I don't think it knows what string contains is, maybe. Unless HTML is not a string. That's the only thing that would make sense here. It's probably something like an object or something. I don't know. I think it's a string though. What do you think? I don't really know nothing about PHP. Hmm. Your decode. Maybe I want to decode it first. Yank. Bro, if I don't figure this out, it's gonna be such a big waste of time. I don't know. I don't know if this is really appropriate here, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Error. Let me just make sure my. We're gonna figure this out, bro. We're gonna figure it out. Oh, we're decoding twice. That's probably an issue. We don't want to decode twice. That should always be true. So the first one is the haystack. The second one is the needle. Just how according to the thing that I'm reading here. That should always be true, and the fact that it is not is troubling. Let's comment this out, this out, and then restart. And successful, bro. Mm. All right. What is set? PHP is set. Oh, so that checks if the variable is true or if it exists. Do you have like this weird underscore post, which I've never. PHP underscore post is a super global variable which is used to collect form data after submitting an HTML form. It's also widely used to pass variables. So it's not a string. I thought it would be a string, bro. Oh, you have to convert it to a string. Maybe this is what you need. What? I don't know about all of that. Okay, so those are string. Those are strings. What I have is a string. What am I doing wrong here? PHP string contains mm. I don't know, man. I think you guys get what I was trying to do here, but this ain't working. I spelled it right, right? This should always be true. Is is PHP sensitive about where the no, they're not. I think I'm supposed to have a how about we try this first again? Just to reground ourselves. If true. PDF. Successful. So nothing's going on with that. Let's try string contains ABC A. That should be true, right? Refresh it. Error. I don't know what's going on, bro. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. I'll be right back. All right, we back. I have not been checking the chat, bro. I hope ain't nobody said nothing. Let me see. Okay, we got people still watching. Okay, we got people still watching, but yo, this is so I'm thinking I walked out of the room and I was thinking maybe this is an older version of what am I trying to see? PHP. This just doesn't want to work at all, man. String contains. If this doesn't work, what I'm probably gonna do is just do a strip. I'm just gonna strip annotation out. So let's see if string contains, if that's like in a package. String contains not working. Let's see what's going on. String contains was introduced in PHP 8 and not supported in lower versions. So maybe that is the reason. It says if str pulse. Okay, we'll try this. PDF error. Damn it. Double equals to true. I didn't think that would be necessary to do all of that. Still an error, bro. Still getting an error. Y'all know I'm crazy enough to stay here till we figure this out. They have it crazy in the damn it. They have it like this. I don't know why you would do not equals false. Still getting an error. I wonder if they show me what the error is here. Okay, let's see if they've disabled any modules here. Apache. Yeah. What? Into em mod php 8.1. What? Oh, this is a well. Oh, okay. I'm not running Apache, bro. Why doesn't that work? Wait. Why doesn't that work? I don't know why that doesn't work. Anyway. Oh, boy. All right, so what I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to do like something like a replace thing, because the replace thing worked for our other code, right? Remember when we did an admin class. We did our regex thing. Oh, we didn't do it on this box, now that I think about it, because we reset the box, right? But we could go back to PHP replace. I don't know if this is what we did. No, definitely not. Special characters. It's crazy how we're coming full circle. We're coming full circle twice here. str replace. What? Why is this weird? That's Let's go back into our history really quick. Damn, we tried to make that work. It did not work. I wish we would save that. Did we do it in here? Bro, what in the world? I can't even find it again. I wish I would have saved that. Okay. I think I could use this. So what we're gonna do, why am I looking at special characters? I'm tripping. Not special characters. What we want to do is replace. This is a really bootleg solution. This ain't even like. Can we just do replace? Yes, let's just try string replace. But not here. Oh man, no. What? Bro, what in the hell? Okay, thank you. All right. Anyway, from here, you want to say HTML equals. I'm just going to try string replace first. Contains didn't work. I don't know why I would think this is going to work. Annotation. And then we'll just like blank there. And then you say HTML here. So let me see. Boom. Hope that worked. Let me just see. Bang. Download. We have that twice, so it's going to cause problems there. Yes. No, this is still wrong. Yank. After the decode, then you want to replace because it's not going to know. I said, what? I hope I didn't like take out any crucial parts of this file here. I don't know. Felt like I was blanking out for a minute. Let us restart this. And then let's go here. I don't know. We probably screwed up the web app. We probably screwed it up, bro. Let's see. If this doesn't work, we screwed it up. We deleted something we weren't supposed to delete. Yep, we did. Damn. Let me go back in the in the video here and see what I deleted. So first comes first, URL decode. Okay, so I got everything. I didn't do anything. Do I have too many like these? Okay, maybe. Yeah, I had one extra of these. So it probably was working the whole time. Okay, so that works. So let's see if we bring this back. Boy. Man. Yes, that works. That works. That works. That works. So when we do the exploit, then let's walk through with the exploit one more time. And this should give us an error if we do it like this. History? Nope, it's not in history. Luckily, we still should have. I mean, we still should have the payload from Cyber Chef, should we not? I thought we would. Did I close Cyber Chef? Damn, homie. Yeah, I closed it. Sucks. Mm. So we have it's almost working. We just gotta verify one more thing. And if this works, we made it. Okay. Let's click on that for the recipe. Let's stop actually. We need this payload or whatever we're calling it. And this should give us an error. Recipe. If it doesn't, we suck. So we don't want to suck. Go ahead and get this working so we can get on with our day. So copy that. Paste. And then send this. We got an OK, which is not OK. This is not OK. Burp Suite. PDF. Accept. Boom. Forward. Turn it off, I guess. I don't know. No. Keep going. Forward. Yeah, it worked. It worked, bro. It definitely worked. So when we finally, so when we download it and we save this as working and we open this, not with that, we don't want to open it with that. Open it with this. Yep, no attachment. So yeah, that's how you secure that temporarily. I know it was a long time coming, but bro, intent to temporarily patch the vulnerability of file. What do you call it? Local file inclusion or file disclosure? I think it's disclosure. until update. And I'll tell you before I get off, bro, these are real. The reason why I'm doing this, because this is real, like these are business use cases here. Sometimes organizations can't afford to upgrade or update because things are just running. So how are you going to patch it on the fly and keep going, right? And this is how you do that. I know it was a long time coming, but if you're listening to my voice right now, if you want to repeat this and see what I did, I'll try to put timestamps in the video so that I'm a good steward of your time. I had a lot of fun with this box. And that's it. So I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my Sunday. You ladies and gents, probably just only gents, but you gents have a good day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks.